Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Cadbury hot chocolate, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need Cadbury cocoa powder, your preferred milk, and some sugar. Don't forget a saucepan, a whisk, and your favorite mug. We'll start by measuring out 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 cup of milk to ensure a perfect, comforting beverage every time. It's a simple process that yields wonderful results. Now, let's create the perfect base for your hot chocolate. In your saucepan, combine the 2 tablespoons of Cadbury cocoa powder with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, add just a small splash of milk, about 2 tablespoons, to these dry ingredients. Whisk everything together thoroughly until you have a smooth, thick paste. This crucial step helps dissolve the cocoa and sugar completely, preventing any lumps and ensuring your hot chocolate is wonderfully creamy and consistent. With your cocoa paste ready, it's time to add the rest of the milk. Slowly pour the remaining milk into the saucepan, continuing to stir gently. Place the saucepan over medium heat on your stovetop. It's important to continuously whisk or stir the mixture as it heats. This prevents scorching and ensures even heating. Keep heating until your hot chocolate is steaming and just begins to simmer around the edges, but be careful not to let it boil, as this can affect the flavor. Your delicious Cadbury hot chocolate is now ready. Carefully pour the steaming beverage into your favorite mug. This is where you can get creative with toppings. Consider adding a dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or a light sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. Give it a gentle stir to mix in any additions, then sit back, relax, and savor your perfectly crafted, warm, and comforting homemade hot chocolate. Enjoy every delightful sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.